Hey there, today we're going to look at how to add subtitles to a video for free. So let's get started. First, go to Clipchamp by typing it in Google or directly visiting app.clipchamp.com. Over here, create a free account or log in using your Microsoft account. After that, you'll land on the dashboard. Then click on Create a new video from scratch. Now, upload your video by clicking Upload Media. Once uploaded, drag your video onto the timeline. Then select the video on the timeline and go to Captions in the top right corner. Click Try Now, select your language, and then click Transcribe Media. This will automatically generate captions. Once the captions are ready, you can go through them and make any corrections if needed. To edit the appearance, click on any caption, move its position, and change the font or color. Over here, you can go to Advanced to remove outlines or tweak the color to your preference. After you're done adjusting everything, click Export in the top right corner. Then select 1080p and choose where to save your file: OneDrive, Google Drive, YouTube, or directly to your computer after processing. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.